Yo, we're on episode 11 of Parasyte the Maxim. The title will be The Blue Bird. Last episode, probably the craziest episode yet. From start to finish, just action after action. Hide gets splashed with some kind of acid thing, which I guess that pretty much determined like the weakness of these parasites. I mean, anyone would get hurt by acid, right? But that acid like just made him lose control and all this other stuff, not be able to morph. So what if they do autopsy, whatever, on Hide's body, they see the acid there or something, and they'll be like, maybe this had something to do with it? Right now they determined that if you pull someone's hair and they happen to be a parasite, it'll like do shit. But if they're human, it'll just be a piece of hair. So right now everyone's kind of pulling each other's hair when they greet each other, just to confirm they're not parasites. So you can't really hide as a parasite anymore, which is a good and bad thing, because Shinichi is a half parasite thing. So I'm worried that the humans will turn on him, and then it'll just be a mixture of humans or parasites. Like, that's what it is for Shinichi right now. And we ended off like calming down, action slowing down. Murano and Shinichi kind of make up again. So I think we might get like a relaxing episode, calm everything down. Anyways, if you want more episodes after this, check out the Patreon down below for $4. Ton of anime over there. I upload ahead of time. Code Geass, Demon Slayer, Attack on Titan's coming pretty soon. Hyped for that. If you end up enjoying this episode, let me know by liking, commenting, subscribing. Any of those ways work, helps me out a lot. Besides that, episode 11, The Blue Bird, here we go. That guy looks like a fucking parasite. With his blank face. Oh no. It's gonna act. Oh my god. You put me on this. Holy shit. It works. This one's also a parasite. There's so many. That contains alcohol. God damn. Brutal. They really are just brutal. I mean, they can't coexist. Fuck. It works. They just confirmed it. What the fuck is this beautiful land? Oh, it's her. The one that can sense so much shit. Now she's in hell? What? You gotta be shitting me right now. You gotta be shitting me right now. What is she dreaming? Okay. You're crazy. How do you dream of this shit? My boy Shinichi a player now. She's gonna pull his hair. Oh fuck. Doesn't work. Cause he's not fully. Damn. She's keeping it? You fucking weirdo. Miki's there. Miki's like, I fucking know. Shit. That's the worst thing you can do. The mysterious music and Migi. I love Migi when he comes out of these situations. Where he just, oh, shit. Ton of problems. Oh, Migi's like, listen here, motherfucker. Do not talk to her. True. He is giving her more hints. Yeah, you gotta notice that.
喧嘩でもしたの？好きなんでしょ？彼のこと。
どこか前と違うんです。話すとそうでもないんだけど。私の命の恩人だし。
命の恩人？あなたもそういう夢を見るの？
What the fuck? She just doesn't know.
チャンスあるかも。
Shinichi's a player. But they're gonna fuck around and die. Uh-oh. Blank faces. What the fuck? This guy's a parasite. He's fucking huge. Oh. Oh! Holy shit! Damn! He's got a smile on his face. Oh my god. He's just smiling out here. What is he? God. Oh my god. This guy's a tank. It's a fucking tank. Oh my god. Twisted. He shot that shit. Oh, he's counting the hits. 3. He's not getting affected. Oh my god. Oh my god. This parasite doesn't use his knife. He just out here. Don't be stupid. This dude just running with the smile. He's gone. Yo. Oh. What the fuck? He swapped? Yo. God damn. The thing, what I was saying, he wasn't flashy with his, you know, how we've been seeing these normal parasites are with their swords thing, with their arms. He's just using his body and just going at him. Oh, that's a dope one. 22 gang members dead. So they are using them, or at least that guy is, like using the parasites, maybe for business benefits or something. That's another one. It was good exercise. Boss. Fuck! I was right. They're like up there in companies and the higher ups and shit. Oh no. Shit. Something's gonna happen mid movie. Yo, what the fuck? This show. This guy eating this cake. That guy's in a business suit. She's kind of accepting it, or she's just trying to find out. Oh, damn. It really hasn't. That's a puppy that's alive, don't throw it out. Uh-oh. Damn. Shinichi was like, something's coming. Damn. cold. He's still cold. Murano's trying to like, I don't know, trying to accept it. Is Shinichi getting pissed off at? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Shinichi's on their side. I feel like that's what it is. Damn. We've seen that twice already. I feel like it's his human, moral part of him that's hurting him. She can sense him. Oh, she's not gonna like this. Fuck. Okay. Damn. That sucks for her, but.
ちょっと早く来すぎたか。
新一仲間だ。しかも一人じゃない。
3,
いや、5。
5,
一体何匹いるんだよ。
5. They're aware. No action. 60 meters. 8 of them! Bro.
誰か何かの上に6人。
On the stand, the higher ups. Yo, you don't wanna fuck with these guys. 2 below. Oh no. Oh no.
見られたか。
Yeah. Damn.
も見られたし、ひとまず退散し。
Yeah, fucking go, dude. Dude, you saw the fucking crazy one. For mayor. They're gonna mass control this shit. It's gonna be like mass food. Does she sense all of these people?
そうだったね。
I bet she does. This guy looks crazy up there. Oh my god.
まずい。
No. Okay. That was a good episode. What a way to hype shit up though. See how crazy he was? In the beginning, that dude just straight up smashing people. Once again, not using his flashy parasite shit. I wonder if he's even stronger if he does. That was badass. Damn. There's so many of them. They're like trying to control and probably like mass feed. Oh no, it's gonna be like to mayor, from mayor to president. They're probably gonna rally all of them up to eat them all. But this is how the parasites are gonna like control everybody. Fuck. Fuck. This just got so much more interesting. Props. Wow. Okay, that was it for episode 11, The Bluebird. If you enjoyed, let me know by liking, commenting, subscribing. Any of those ways work helps me out a lot. And if you want more episodes after this, check the Patreon down below. There's a Patreon link. $4. I've been watching Demon Slayer, Code Geass, and soon Attack on Titan Season 4 Part 2. That's going to be hype. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Doses.